This could be good. Badass sunrise. We're headed to go pick up Meb. We're gonna go call some dogs this morning, but I have a different plan. I think we're gonna sight in my AR-15. And then we found a mini fridge out in the desert. I think we should blow it up today. So stay tuned. That's gonna be great.
Has been forwarded to voicemail.
I'm sitting in front of Meb's house, but I don't think he's awake. He told me last night, call me or I won't be out there. I've called him twice, so I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna stop and get some flight fuel, see if Meb calls me back. If not, then I'm just gonna go out there. And there's a coyote out in this field right here, and my gun is not sighted in. So that's sweet. I'm on my way to go sight it in. So this is the mini fridge that I saw last week. And it's been shot to shit. But I think we should put some tannerite in it and blow it up. But first I'm gonna have to sight my gun in. This is a perfect spot. We're in this gravel pit down here. There's a target right there. So we'll load this, get the gun sighted in. Meb texts me. We're gonna go pick him up, and then we'll go back out to a spot in Burl, in a bigger spot, and we'll put some tannerite in this and shoot it. And maybe after my gun sighted in, I'll see another coyote. I brought my own target just so I can see where I'm hitting. What I didn't do is grab my staple gun. I totally forgot about it. So hopefully I can just wedge this on here somehow. That's not gonna go anywhere. We're at 100 yards right here. See if we're even on paper. I say we're dialed in. Go pick up Meb. And that little fridge in the back. Go blow that thing up. See what kind of mood Meb's in today. Grumpy bastard. He's on the phone. Yeah. 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 You want me to come get you or no? Yeah.
Oh, that's your bag. I got my own.
Oh, well, I ate two of them.
What?
I ate two of them.
What do you mean?
Well, I thought half of them were yours.
No, I got mine.
Okay. We got to go back this way. Oh, there's a bungee cord in the road up here I was going to snag. Yeah, I was going County Line Road. Going to the County Line Road. Past Rich's. Dog in that first field. Oh, son. Thank you.
Human clutch on you right here.
Mm-hmm. Dog behind that potato silo place, right on the County Line Road. He was kind of far out there, and there was cows behind him, so I wouldn't have shot at him anyway because I didn't want to hit something. I slowed down, and he turned around and took off running.
Really?
Yeah. Did you see my mini fridge? Look at it. It's full of bullet holes.
Brand new bungee cord. That's like $4.
Still has the tag, dude.
6 with a tag.
Look at that.
I don't know what they put on these motherfuckers, but they're good.
Eating your pocket sausage. Give me your tots, Napoleon.
Napoleon, give me some of your tots.
No, go find your own.
Come on, give me some of your tots.
No, I'm freaking starved. I didn't get to eat anything today.
Jesus.
Thank God I already had a bite out of that. I'd have swallowed that son of a bitch. Ignorant?
You want mine?
No, I don't want yours.
Oh my God.
Guess what I don't have?
Gag reflex.
I had a bite out of that. Your dad didn't love you when you were little, huh?
Someone didn't love you enough when you were little, did they?
Good call. There, that's worth a nickel.
Tragic.
I did not. I thought it was gonna work out like that in my mind, and then it did. It fucking played out perfect. Like I fucking hit your hand, and I look over, and the sausage is gone. You're holding it back.
I know, and I just had to hurry and start chewing it.
I think you just swallowed it whole.
No. 2 bites.
You were like,
I'm like Pac-Man, dude. I watched a guy trip and fall in a hole right here one day.
oh yeah.
You remember that?
I remember getting screamed at.
No. Remember when Grant was chasing that pheasant and stepped in that hole?
Oh, that's right.
And we were laughing really hard
Yeah.
until we realized he actually hurt himself.
Yeah, the fucker couldn't even get back over the fence.
He was in pain.
Got my Trump drink right here, bud.
Oh, the Diet Coke.
Danny's gonna be so mad when she realized I took the last
took
one.
hers?
The last one.
Expensive as shit.
My beauty is expensive. The comfort of my body is expensive, Cody.
There is nothing that is going to help your beauty.
Okay, well I feel better after I get a good old rub.
Okay.
No tug.
This thing's solid.
Yeah.
It really is.
Like a rock.
Like a rock.
Remember those commercials?
Chevrolet.
Rolling down hills.
Like a rock. This could be good.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Pretty good little explosion.